So this is your business class. So this is a bit different from the regular suite. This giant mirror is very unique. And then everything is just like a lot bigger. Even this amenities kit, like this is really cool. So we have just probably the regular Bulgari amenities. Thank you.
May I pull for you?
So these are all the regular amenities that you get on the usual A380 and the 777 first class. So this is also a little bit different. Put your drink here and then all your various buttons and things. There's seat-to-seat video calling, which is really cool. We have this. This will be the dining table. And then we have this little thing. You just store your luggage here. These are all of the snacks and some more snacks here. This is the bread I'm gonna have. And this is the roof. So I also took the seat 2A because it was advised that this was the best seat. 2A or 2K. You would think that 1A is, but 1A actually on the Gamechanger suites has a lot less room.
So you can play around with your seat functions, yes?
Okay.
This one is called the lounge position.
Yep.
It gives you like the floating sensation as well.
Oh, okay.
There is 17, as far as I remember, seat functions. So
Wow.
you can also like play around. It will give you some little massage, vibrations.
Oh, wow.
There is also a nice function for the temperature.
And you can change the color.
The
Wow.
color,
Oh my
exactly.
god, so cool.
Yeah, you can play around with all
Wow.
this. You can press this button if you do not want us to disturb you.
Okay,
Yeah?
cool.
This button is for the lightning.
Okay, touch it. Is that how it works? So cool. I think purple is the nicest. Yeah.
Everyone
All the
likes
girls.
it.
So now I'm going to video call my personal air hostess, but let me just finish some done. Ready? Hi!
Anything else I can help you with?
No, nothing else. Thank you.
Thank you.
They're just giving me these binoculars for takeoff. Amazing. Thank you so much.
We'd like to taste it first.
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
So if you're interested, we can give you
Brown women in luxury awaiting your destination. You do get a little mirror here. And then this plane is all for me, basically. This is another one. And then this is 1A, which is a little smaller. And then this is the bathroom. So it's very small. It's just the standard size of the bathroom, probably a little bigger than standard. This is the sacrifice that the Gamechanger suite has. You have more room in the suite instead of the big bathroom that you're normally sort of accustomed to. Sweets. So we have these prawns, very yummy. So now we have the lobster. So it was a toss up between this and the lamb, but I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get the lobster and get the lamb all the way home. So yeah. now I'm pretty far away from my table, so I am going to press this.